All right, so part 2 of the video. So I got off work early, actually asked, and we were slow, so they let me go home. Stop by, I got a straight file. So this one was the one at Harbor Freight that was sold out. And then I got the correct blades for the jigsaw so I can start making these tables. And then I've got the file set so I can use different sizes to get all the angles correct on the grill. And I want to get this on today. So we do have the visors here. The curtains and the VIP floor mats are coming in today in the mail. So usually mailman gets here about 4:35. So I'm just gonna work through this and I'll see him when he drops off the stuff. So I'm not gonna record it. I'm just gonna file this. I'll show you guys before and after. So before, I'm just gonna clean it up and then I'll show you guys the after. So I barely even had to use these files. I just literally use that. It came out nice, like perfectly squared. I just used a small one to kind of clean off the edges, but like I said, you're not gonna see what's inside. Just need that air vent, so I'm gonna slap this on and see what it looks like. Make sure it's gonna get the air it needs. I'm happy it has these clips here for the sides. Everything lines up. And the air vent, yep, perfect. See, it's exactly just this spot. All right, that one's good to go. That's what's up. There we go. All right, got to paint it still, but I want to show you guys this. So, just gonna shave off this XX, SX, or what do you say? Damn extra glue. I don't know. This freaking tired. We're gonna cut that off, paint over it, lay down that, and then we're gonna slap the emblem on. But I gotta go buy some double-sided tape. Shit. Gotta go back to Walmart. Damn it. So I used the razor, level it all out, and then I'll go there. Or is it upside down? So, like that. So now it's leveled, good to go. I just got to paint it. I already got that one going. And then I need to put these on. I keep forgetting because they're hidden. But the chrome door locks. So I'll do those. I don't need to show you guys how to do that. It's super simple. If anything, I'll link a video when I do it. Or maybe I'll make a video, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna throw this on, paint it, and then I need to get double-sided tape because I'm all out. And just waiting for the mailman to bring the floor mats and curtains because I'm trying to put everything on today. So let me throw some paint on this and keep it going. So just waiting for it to dry. That's what it looks like. I found some double-sided tape and of course left in the house. Gotta grab it. But yes, visors. I don't think I'm gonna make a video, guys. There's already one on, was it Gears and Oil? He shows how to do it. I'm gonna install real quick. Super easy. I'm gonna rock these, man. I'm pumped. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for that to dry. I do gotta get white paint pen. Fix the band culture plate, paint it back to white. I gotta wipe this car down, it's super dusty. But yeah, probably keep putting coats on here, thicken it up. Yeah, I got the visors pumped. I'm gonna throw these on. I gotta put those on. Still waiting for the mailman to drop off my curtains so I can put curtains on. So we're gonna get the whole VIP going. So all right, and then I got the blades for the jigsaw so I can start putting my tables together and start building VIP tables. But yep, we are set. Just Gotta wait for it to dry so we can cut and do everything. I'll be back with that. Visors are on both sides. Very easy. The only thing I'll let you guys know for sure is just make sure you go from small or short, then goes wide, stays wide, and then it gets more shorter. So that's how you know from the back which one goes where. So these should always be the same size. And I love the black chrome, because with the black chrome I actually get in this wrap. We're gonna wrap this black chrome and the door trims here, and probably do the caps black chrome. And then with the better grill I'm getting from Gregory is gonna be, I'm gonna do black chrome on that grill. This one just so I can rock the emblem and have an air vent. Yeah, so I still need to get white paint pen so I can redo my license plate frame. And then we'll be rocking it. I got a bunch of stuff too. I ordered some more. I got Junction Produce emblem for this, so I need to drill a hole in here to mount it. I got the fiberglass eyelids. And what else did I order? Oh yeah, Junction Produce emblem for the hood. So same thing I had on the Lexus. But I just need to get the visor right here, but it's like 100 something. I mean, it's not a lot compared to the damn emblem. That emblem's like 330 or 230 bucks. Don't tell my wife. But yeah, so I'm just waiting for everything to dry. I gotta throw on the double side tape on this still, and then we're good. But damn, them visors look dope. Feeling it, yeah. Man, this shit's coming out dope. Oh, my dog wants to play some fetch. You want to play, bud? All right, let's go. All right, so sneak peek of the emblem for the front grille. Oh yeah, glow in the dark, baby. So got a double side taped emblem still, but we got the vent, the emblem, and that's what it's gonna look like on the bento box. So let me go ahead and put everything together, and then we're gonna slap this on. I'm gonna go grab me a paint pen, but I'm digging it. Hell yeah. All right, all done. Got it on. I threw on the epoxy in the back to seal it. So we're good. Slap this on. Need two hands real quick. So it is on. Put the tabs in the corner of the headlight. It's in, sides in. I get my tabs. See from far behind. Man. And the vent works. Yo. Alright, let me get the tabs to plug those up. Man, I'm digging it. Hell yeah. Sheesh. So one of the best things from Harbor Freight are these clips, because you can replace every clip that's missing. So I believe these are similar to OEM too. So hopefully these ones fit up. I think it'll fit. Pull it up. Or is it that one? Or is it smaller? Oh no, I think it's smaller. Oh shit. I gotta do two hands, sorry. Alright, those two. Chatting it out. So, swapped in the chrome. It's dark as hell out here, guys. The chrome door locks. So, this week we did wheels and tire chrome. Then we did the visors. And the glow in the dark Lexus badge with the slots for the oil cooler. So because it's dark, I'm gonna have to cut the video here, and my curtains never came in. So womp womp womp. So it looks like we're rocking like this to Vallejo tomorrow. But yeah, thanks for rocking with me, guys. I'll link the video for the visors and the locks so you guys can see how it's done. Real simple. It's super easy. I've literally put those on like less than 10 minutes, like 4 minutes each, 2 minutes a visor. So, but yeah, so we are good. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for rocking with me, and we'll do a little vlog tomorrow for the company party, so you guys can at least. I've never been to Six Flags, so I'll show you guys around if you've never been there either. So, all right, y'all. Later.